We're making pub cheese beef and noodles. We're starting with 2 pounds of ground beef and 1 full container of pub cheese. So just dump that whole thing right in there on the beef. Make sure and scrape it out, get all that cheesy goodness out of there. Once you got your cheese and your beef in there, we're going to throw in about a teaspoon worth of Worcestershire sauce, maybe a little more for flavor. Throw about a teaspoon worth of garlic powder, about a teaspoon of black pepper, and also some paprika. Once you get all your seasonings in there, we're going to also put in 1 block of cream cheese cut into little cubes, as well as about 6 pieces of crumbled up bacon you want to throw in there. Finally, we're going to get to our liquids. We're going to go 3/4 cup of beef broth and 1 cup of heavy cream. Once you get all that in there, go ahead and stir those flavors around. Alright, once you got those flavors nice and mixed together, we're going to put the lid on. We're going to cook it on high for 1 hour. Alright, y'all, after 1 hour, go ahead and take that lid off. Stir it around, get that cheese and then flavors mixed around together. Once you've stirred it around a little bit, go ahead and throw 1 cup of shredded cheddar cheese. Get that mixed around until it's nice and melted. Once you got your cheese melted in there, we're going to toss in 12 ounces of cooked egg noodles. Get that nice and stirred in. And as a final little touch, you can add a little bit of more crumbled up bacon on top. Kind of like a bacon garnish. Get it spread around a little bit. And this thing is ready to go. Let's dig in. Oh yeah. Oh my goodness. Oh man, it smells so good too. Y'all. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Mm. Go get you some pub cheese. I'm telling you. Mm. 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 Mm.